In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a free £75 or $75 on Wise, and I'll also show you how you can order your debit card from Wise. Now, without further ado, I'll take you through the whole process of how you can claim your $75 or £75 for free from Transferwise, how this works, and then we'll order that debit card. Let's take you through step by step. Here we are on the official Wise website, previously known as Transferwise. We're on the home page, and you can see this message below that reads, "Thanks for inviting your friends to Wise. Here's your £75, claim it below." And there's a claim your reward button here. Click this. On the next page, this will read, "Where would you like to transfer your money? Please select your currency," and you can select your currency. This will change the information accordingly that you need to enter. Of course, if you have your local bank account number, you can enter this and your sort code. An IBAN number is a combination of a sort code, account number, and another piece of information that notifies the sender where to send your money. It's basically just a combination of those things. And of course, you will have the name, the recipient that you need to enter. This will be the name on the account. So if this is your account that you're sending this reward money to, you would just enter your name. Great, your money is on the way. It may take a few days before it appears in your account. You can select Got It, but before I do this, I'm going to give you a little bit of information of where you can earn this money today with Wise. You can see up in the top tabs, it reads Invite and earn £75. Or 75 Great British Pounds. By selecting this, this will take you to the referral program where you can use a link, a unique link for your account to refer other new users to Wise. And this is how you get your free £75. Now, I wanted to show you this because you can use £5 of that £75 in order to order your Wise card. Select Got It to continue. Now we're back on the home page. If you're unsure if that has been processed, just select the home button in the tabs right here above cards, and that will refresh the page without you leaving the website. We will then go to order your Wise card by selecting cards. This will bring you to this page where it gives you more information on the debit card that you can order with Wise today, and there's a cooler to animation behind that Visa debit card right there. You can see that you can spend in over 150 currencies, withdraw from ATMs anywhere, get instant notifications, start spending instantly, and auto convert on the go. Now, the auto convert is absolutely amazing because that means that it can convert your currency on the go. It even reads spend in any currency and we'll take care of the conversions with our low fees. Now we're going to select order card because we already have our £5 in our account ready to order the card because you have to pay for this card. This will then take you to this page where it gives you some more information on what your card entails. For example, spending over 150 currencies, auto convert on the go, and get instant notifications. I'm going to select order card. This will bring you to the next stage where you need to enter a card delivery address, pay for your card, and verify your identity. I'll take you through step by step. So the first thing you need to do is enter an address where your card needs to be sent. Once you've entered this information, you will have to double check the information that you have given just to make sure that you don't get anything wrong. It's very important that you get this right. You can also select the terms of use. Now, this is very important for those of you who are not used to using these types of cards. You can find various information on this card and what can happen in the case of many different scenarios. For example, how to activate your card. If you're unsure how to activate a card, you can find that information here. But of course, when my card arrives, I'll be taking you through that process as well. You can see what happens when your card expires, how to keep your card safe, and cancellation rights for cancelling your card. When you're happy with all of the information that you've seen here, continue. Now this is where you will be generating or setting a 4-digit PIN for your debit card. You can enter 4 digits that you will remember, but in my case what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate it for this card and let Wise select a 4-digit PIN that they generate for me. The next page is the payment page. You will have to pay for this card, and you can use a debit card or credit card to pay for your Wise card. I know that sounds a little bit confusing, but you're basically paying to order this card. So what you will need to do is enter the details of a debit card or credit card in order to pay for your Wise Visa card. And we're doing this now, and I'll take you through so it's not as confusing as it sounds. We're going to scroll down here, and it will give you more information on the card. You will see that you have the card production that costs £4.17. Then there is a VAT, and you pay in total £5. Select continue. This is where you would enter the card details that you are using to pay for the ordering of your Wise Visa card. You would enter a card number, an expiry date, and of course that CVC code, which is normally found on the back of the card on the magnetic strip or below the magnetic strip. It's normally 3 digits. On the next page, you will need to upload proof of your identity in order to prove that you are a real person. You can select your country of origin. That's the first thing you will need to do. This, of course, can decide which types of ID are available. You normally use photo ID with these types of processes. You can see I have passport, driving license, or national ID. I'm going to select driving license in this example here. I'm going to select continue, which will take you to the next page once you have selected an ID form. Now you have to upload the front side of the driving license and the back side of the driving license in order for Wise to verify that you are a real person. I'm going to show you what happens when you upload the picture wrong. You will see this notification, which is either you have taken a picture not of the ID or the picture is not clear. So make sure that you have a clear picture with no glare and no blur. Once you have completed that stage, you will be given this message, which is notifying you that it will take up to 2 working days to process your documents and information. Once you're happy with this, you can select done. This will take you back to the home page where you will have these new icons at the bottom of the home page there, telling you that you have paid for your card, entered card details, and you have also been given or set a card PIN. Now I'm going to select verify your identity again, because that is given as an option to select that button. Don't worry, you have completed this process. I just wanted to show you that that process has been completed, and it will just give you the same message because you have already done that and your information is being processed. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I will be showing you a lot more on what you can do with Wise and how to activate the card once it's arrived. Now it has arrived for me already. It was fairly quick, so I will be showing you the card and also giving you more information on how it works and more. Don't forget to check out the videos in the Online Money playlist for a lot more right here, and I'll see you in the next one.